At the end of the standstill period, if the agency has not received any complaint from an unsuccessful bidder, or if the agency has addressed all complaints received within the standstill period and received the bank's confirmation of satisfactory resolution of the complaint, the agency shall proceed to award the contract in accordance with the award recommendation that had previously received the bank's no objection. For detailed guidance on the bank's complaint handling procedures, please study the e-manual on complaints for World Bank borrower staff, which is available on wbnpf.procurementnet.org web link and the module Procurement-Related Complaints. The agency shall transmit the notification of award to the successful bidder along with other documents as specified in the issued bidding documents. The agency shall also inform the bank within 3 business days of such award via step.
In the Activity page, select Notification of Award to go inside. In the Evaluated Contracts page, you will see 3 tabs: Contract Listing, Changed Contracts and Awarded Contracts. Contract Listing, consisting of contracts which have been cleared and or completed the standstill period and ready to be generated. Changed Contracts, once the evaluated contracts have been changed, it gets listed in this tab. The tab includes 2 sections, Under Review and Updated Contracts. Awarded Contracts, once notification for the evaluated contracts is sent or when the bank clears the updated contracts, the corresponding contract will get listed in this tab. Let's explore them.
In the tab Contract Listing, select the contract of which the notification of award to be sent. You have to confirm whether the contract will be signed as evaluated. Answer yes is defaulted.
Scenario 1, the contract will be signed without changes to the evaluation details cleared by the bank and the agency sends notification to the bank.
Leave the answer yes as default. Upload the related document under the tab Documents. There is no mandatory document for this case, however, the agency should upload the notification of award transmitted to the successful bidder and any other supporting documents if appropriate. Please see the detailed guidance on uploading documents in the module Prior Review, Draft BD, Upload Documents. Once completed, move to tab Review and send notification to the bank. You may go back to module Prior Review, Upload Issued BD and Notification for the detailed guidance on sending notification to the bank. The contract gets listed in the tab Awarded Contracts. The procurement process in step for the contract is blocked. The system also generates a contract number for that contract in the next phase of contract implementation.
Scenario 2, the agency proposes some changes in the evaluated contracts and submits to the bank for no objection one by one.
In the tab Contract Listing, select the contract of which the notification of award to be sent. Click the answer bar to move it to No. Upload the related document under the tab Documents. The mandatory document is the clarification for proposed changes to the evaluated contract. For other documents, if any, you can upload them in the Supporting Documents section. Please see the detailed guidance on uploading documents in the module Prior Review, Draft BD, Upload Documents. Move to tab Datasheet and select the reason for change. You can select one to all of 3 reasons. Let's select Merge Contracts. It is used when 2 or more lots which were recommended to be awarded to a bidder, then now will be combined and signed as a single contract. All contracts which were recommended to be awarded to the bidder and cleared by the bank are displayed for your selection. Select the contract and click Merge. 2 contracts will be merged in one. And the contract value is the aggregate number of merged contracts. Click Continue to move to Review tab and send the documents to the bank for review. You may go back to module Prior Review, Draft BD, Send to Bank and Bank's response for the detailed guidance on sending review request to the bank. In the Evaluated Contracts page, the contract is moved to section under Review in the Changed Contracts tab.
Now we are working with another contract. In the tab Contract Listing, select the contract of which the notification of award to be sent. Click the answer bar to move it to No. Upload the related document under the tab Documents. The mandatory document is the clarification for proposed changes to the evaluated contract. For other documents, if any, you can upload them in the Supporting Documents section. Please see the detailed guidance on uploading documents in the module Prior Review, Draft BD, Upload Documents. Move to tab Datasheet and select the reason for change. Click the drop-down button next to the reason of change awardee. Then click Edit to change the recommended bidder. The list of evaluated bidders under the contract are displayed for your selection. You can use the search function to quickly find the name. Select the bidder and save. Click Undo to cancel the change. Now, continue with Revised Contract Price. Open the Contract Price at No Objection section to view the contract price cleared by the bank. Then open the Revised Contract Price section to enter revised amount. Click Add icon to add more line for amount and currency if needed. Click Trash icon to delete the line. Click Save to save the change. In the Evaluated Contracts page, the contract is moved from tab Contract Listing to Changed Contracts. Section Updated Contracts. Click Trash icon if you want to delete the changed contract, then it will move back to tab Contract Listing. Or go back to the changed contract. Then move to Review tab and send the documents to the bank for review. You may go back to Module Prior Review, Draft BD, Send to Bank and Bank's response for the detailed guidance on sending review request to the bank. In the Evaluated Contracts page, the contract is moved to section under Review in the Changed Contracts tab.
Upon the bank's no objection, the contract is moved to the tab Awarded Contracts. The procurement process in step for the contract is blocked. You may refer to Module Prior Review, Bid Evaluation Report, Evaluated Contracts and Bank's Response for more details about the bank's response. Please note that for each evaluated contract, the agency has one-time proposal to change only. Since the proposal is cleared by the bank, you cannot send another request for change. The system also generates a contract number for that contract in the next phase of contract implementation. In the STEP home page, you see the list of contracts under the Awarded Contracts section. Click the drop-down list to see more information. Or click the contract number to view the contract form.